Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today market opened much higher than what SGX Nifty indicated. Just imagine yesterday night SGX Nifty was indicating 16,750 while I went to sleep, and today we shot up above 17,350. That's a 600 point move in just one day. And this whole year, I told you, markets will be going all over the places, will go up, will go down, but end to end, after 1 year, markets are not likely to go anywhere. So I still tell you, on January 3, the first trading session, we started around 17,600, and now we are also struggling there only. It's a zero return for us, even if it closes at 17,600. And the poor FIIs, currency has depreciated about 10 to 12%. So for them, it will be negative return. So that's about long term. But what happened today, it's a purely short covering. Short covering. Infosys, short covering. HDFC Bank result is coming tomorrow. So because of that, both HDFC and HDFC Bank see a good amount of short covering. So finally, it is HDFC Bank and Infosys that pushed the market higher. Even the TCS was negative for most part of the day. I think on closing basis also, TCS was negative. Even the Reliance is also negative on a closing basis. And today, it is a short covering probably by FIIs. That's why all the actions was seen only in the large cap, and mid cap and small caps were almost flat. Despite market making such a big move, surprisingly, the call options did not spike. And, understandably, VIX has crashed more than 10%. So what was very surprising to me, US markets were oversold, and US markets saw a very big short covering. And S&P 500 saw the 5th largest intraday gain, and Nasdaq has seen the 4th largest intraday gain. But despite that, the VIX did not fall much. I think it fell only about 1% yesterday. But here, don't know what happened, VIX has crashed more than 10%. Even on a closing basis, it was more than 10%. I think along the way, it was 11-12% down. So anyway, why to complain? Being an option seller, I'm happy that I made some money because of this fall in VIX. I do have a lot of positions in December expiry. I have a 15,000 put option, 19,000 call option, like that. And because the VIX has crashed so much, premiums, have put premiums collapsed, but call premiums did not go up much. And towards the end of the day, there was a big sell-off, and Nifty has fallen more than 150 points. So understandably, because the US futures also turned negative towards the end of the day. So all that shows that today's move was just basically a short covering. At some point of time, even the Nifty future came to discount. So that was really surprising. So at the end of the day, FIIs have sold for about 1,000 crores, but the domestic institutions have bought for 1,600 crores. So net institutional buy is 600 crores. So because of the last hour sell-off, market came below 17,200. Even the people who has done 17,000 short straddle yesterday, they were in good profit. But despite market making such a big move and late day selling, I think people started selling call options aggressively once again. And market, went up to nearer to 17,400. But at the end of the day, 17,300, 17,400, 17,500, all the calls added huge open interest. Right? So, because the market came off from the highs, and people, come to a conclusion that, what happened today morning is just a short covering. And however, things can change. And it all depends upon HDFC Bank results tomorrow. If HDFC Bank results is good, then the people will assume that other banking results will also be good, and so Bank Nifty can move higher. So Monday it will be interesting to see the banking stocks. Today in US, there are few banks are announcing the results. I think JP Morgan Chase has already announced the result. So the result seems to be good, and I think it is up by more than 2% in the pre-market. So it will be interesting to see where the US market closes today. So if US market is falling again today, then what happened yesterday is just only one day affair. I would say bear market rallies are very sharp, but normal bull market will go higher slowly only, never make a very huge sharp move. And yesterday's sharp move, that shows that it's a bear. Of course, Nasdaq is down more than 30% from 52-week high, S&P 500 Dow all down more than 20%. So naturally the rebound was a relief rally. It's a technical bounce. It's a bear market rally. But we don't know how far that bear market rally will go. But it will be interesting to see what happens today. So also the officially result season begins. So there are many companies are declaring the results there also. So for us also next week there will be a lot of results. But the most important is tomorrow HDFC Bank result. So let us see where market goes. So once again I am holding the view 16,800 to 17,500, and the 2 weeks over, so they were trading in that range only. So we have to see, we have how many more trading session. Next week 5, and the following week only 2 trading session. I think 2 days will be a holiday. So we have only about 7 more trading sessions. So I think this October will be a period of consolidation. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.